Hello, you are watching Technia TV and I am here with you, Mahima Joshi. Let's take a look at today's news headlines. The second phase of the budget session is underway in Delhi. Today makes its 18th day and disputes are likely in the House. The opposition continues to corner the government over the LPG issues and a heated debate between both the sides is expected. An important parliamentary committee meeting of the Ministry of External Affairs will be held in Delhi today. A detailed briefing on the situation in West Asia will be presented. The Foreign Secretary and several senior officials will attend, and discussion on strategy regarding regional tensions are likely. Air India and Air India Express will operate 50 flights to West Asia today. Regular service to Jeddah and Muscat will continue along with 24 additional special flights to the UAE and Saudi Arabia. This decision has been made in response to increasing passenger demand. The Bharat Tribe Fest 2026 will begin in Delhi today. The event will showcase the rich tribal cultures of India featuring handicrafts, music and traditional foods. It offers a significant platforms for promoting tribal art and heritage. The Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly budget session will be resumed in the Simla. The government may introduce several important bills while the opposition is preparing to challenge the government on the key issues. Intense debates are anticipated during the session. The NIA has arrested 6 Ukrainian and 1 American citizen in Delhi. They are accused of supporting extremism in India. Ukraine has demanded their immediate release and the matter may escalate at the international level. The Adi Kailash Yatra in Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand will be begin on May 1. The temple doors located at an altitude of 14,500 feet will be open. Seasonal migration in nearby villages will also begin and enthusiasm among devotees is growing. The conflict involving Iran, the United States and Israel has entered its 19th day. A senior Iranian official, Rali Jani, was killed in an Israeli strike. More than 100 locations in Tel Aviv have been targeted. An important international meeting on regional security is also scheduled today. Morocco has been declared the champion of AFCON 2025. The Confederation of American Football allured Senegal's victory, citing that leaving the field during the match violated regulations. The decision has sparked widespread controversy in the football world. A rain alert has been issued for 16 states, including Delhi. Snowfall has been recorded in Himachal Pradesh and temperatures have dropped in several regions. In Meghalaya, storms have damaged over 1,000 homes. There is a risk of thunderstorms, rain and a hailstorm between March 18 and 21. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Technia TV for all the latest news from around the world. Goodbye.